Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss about the topic tuples in detail. So what is a tuple? The tuples are similar to the list in Python. They can also have objects of similar or different data types. The topics like indexing and slicing, which are applicable for the list, can also be used in tuple. Then why do we need tuple if both tuple and the list are similar? The main difference is the mutability. The tuples are immutable, whereas the lists are mutable. So, once the tuple is created, we cannot edit them. We cannot make any changes to the tuple once they are created. So, the tuples are also called as read-only list. This is the syntax for the tuple. We use ordinary C braces to declare the tuple, and the comma is used to separate the objects inside the tuple. Now we will look into an example to have a better understanding about the tuples. In this example, what we are trying to do is we are creating a tuple A with 5 numeric objects starting from 1 to 5. Now when we check the data type of the variable A, the Python interpreter should display it has a tuple. Let's check it out. We use the function type to check the type of the variable. And the Python interpreter displays this as a tuple. Now let's try to modify the value inside the tuple and check if the Python interpreter throw an error. We can try to change the value from 2 to 10 of the tuple A, which is in the index of 1. We are trying to change this value 2 to 10. So how do we do that? So index value of 1 to 10. We're changing the value of the tuple A with the index value of 1 to 10. When we run this code, the Python interpreter should throw a type error message. And yes, it does. It's telling the tuple object does not support the item assignment, which is nothing but we cannot modify the tuple A once they are created. Hope you guys understood the concepts of tuple in detail. See you guys in the next video.